How you doing? Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Hopefully you like what you see. If you do, subscribe, why don't you? And to all my old timers, thank you guys. Thank you for all the love. You don't even know how awesome you are. When people that you don't even know in real life support you like how you guys support me, I appreciate it. Thank you. Alright, in today's video, you already know what the title is all about. You know what we're here for. We're going to do another foundation review video. I know you guys are probably like, girl, how much foundations do you review? A lot. And it all stems from you guys. You guys are interested in seeing how foundation works in the green beauty community, of course. And because I'm on the hunt to find green beauty products that work for me, I'm going to share that with you guys. For this video, we are going to test out the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation. The shade that I have is DPW2. Let's talk quickly about the Physicians Formula products. The reason why I really wanted to review them for you guys was because I know sometimes the products that I do review, most of them are only offered online, so it's a little bit harder for you to get them, and also finding your right shade, you know, testing them out is a little bit harder because they're all online. The Physicians Formula is a brand that's easily available, easily accessible. It's found in your local drugstore. I believe Walmart has it. I think Target, but I'm not sure. Also, with the Physicians Formula, honestly speaking, since starting my green beauty journey, I am more conscious of the products I put on my skin, ingredient-wise. So this is not a foundation that I would necessarily pick up for myself, because some of the ingredients are just something that I just don't work with now that I'm further along in my journey. But however, for those of you that are transitioning, just starting out, like when I was starting out, this was the company that I reached for the most when I was first transitioning. So because of that, I want to showcase it to you guys, for those that are starting out, that this is an option for you until you are more deeply rooted in your journey, and then you can look into products that have less ingredients. I mean, the ingredients are not bad, it's just that it's a lot. And for me right now in my journey, I've moved past this. But that doesn't say I'm not going to review products for you guys. I don't judge. I understand that everyone has to start from somewhere, you know. And when I started out, Physicians Formula was everything for me. Like, it was the first place I can go to grab something quick, and just, especially their mascara, their eyeliners, that's what I went to. So that's why I'm reviewing it for you guys. I want you guys to have options. And just always, before you guys try something or buy something, make sure that you guys, not because I say it's good, not because I like it, read the ingredients, see if you like it, see if it's something that you're willing to put on your skin, and if it is, then by all means, do you, boo, do it. But if not, then sorry. This foundation is hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, non-comedogenic, dermatologist tested, clinically tested, cruelty-free, and vegan. Okay. It has, I'm not used to this applicator. It looks like a big, like a big old lipstick applicator. Like for these big old lips, but it's a foundation. Okay, yeah. Let's start with that. Oh, my girl, go back to email? Alright. Alright. Not bad. No foundation. With foundation. It's not bad at all. Now I'm going to apply one more layer because I want to see if it's buildable. Alright, no foundation with the foundation. I'm actually liking it. I am not mad at it at all. I like it. So while we admire the foundation on my face, I'm just going to go through some facts about the foundation. In the warm tones, which is I'm a warm girl, this is the darkest shade, but they do have darker shades in the neutral side. In the entire spectrum of the foundation though, they do have 3 darker shades that are darker than this one, but those are on the neutral side. So it might work for you guys since it's neutral. As far as what the product claims, it says a long-wearing, buildable, and breathable foundation that provides lightweight, medium coverage with a healthy satin finish. I was a bit skeptical at first. Why? I don't know. I just was. Because I don't really have much luck with drugstore foundations. But Physicians Formula, you up to something. You do something. And I do something with yourself. Big up yourself, Physicians Formula. Big up yourself for the color match. Me like that. So big up yourself. And you have 2 more darker shades. Big up yourself again. Alright. And let's put the foundation on the rest of my face. And I'll be back. I applied eyebrows. I came back looking real cute, right? With the eyebrows. I applied eyebrows. Moving on. So that is it. So this side of my face, we're done. I'm just going to let it stay like this to see how the foundation wears throughout the day, how it leaves my skin. Is it dewy? Does it get oily? Does it break up? All that good stuff. Now we're going to apply more products to the left side of my face. Alright, so what else did I get from them? Their shimmer strips, custom eye enhancing shadow and liner, extreme shimmer eyeshadow palette, and this is the Disco Glam palette. One thing I've learned about Physicians Formula's eyeshadows is this company likes shimmer. Like all of their eyeshadows is shimmer, 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 shimmer. Like they have a good amount of eyeshadow palettes, and everything is just shimmer and glitter and just glitz and glam. They don't really have a matte palette. All like that shimmer. So that's a good and a bad thing. If you like shimmer, if you like glitz and glam, then this company is for you. But if you want a matte in there somewhere to do like a basic look, or you know, to start off without all the shimmer on your eyes, this might not be the company for you. So let's just start off with this darker brown shimmer color right here as a transition color situation, I guess. Next, we're going to play with this peachy shimmer color. Oh gosh, put that more on the lid situation. This one, the color that's in the palette is not what you're getting on the eye. It's like, it's blending and it's looking more like, it looks exactly like the color that I put on before. It's looking exactly like the color, like when you first put it on, boom. Peach and pretty, right? And then you blend it and it just turns into the gold color that I had on before. Moving on, we're going to go to the blue. The blue pop of color, which I really wanted to play with. Yeah, of course when you wet the brush, it gets more like a foiled shade. Blue is looking really pretty. I got respect for the blue. The blue did something. Now we're going to take this first color and just do a quick little brow bone highlight. Oh my, glitter I fly everywhere. Glitter is just flying everywhere. Take this color in between the blue and the peachy color right here. And we're going to put that as the inner corner. Put it right there, so. Alright, inner corner light up. And just so that we can use every shade in this palette, we're going to take this last color at the end, real dark goldish color, and we're going to drag that along the bottom lash line. It's a cute palette to start off with, but the issue that I have with the palette is a lot of the golden colors, like all the golds all blend out to be the same shade of gold. So it's like you're not really getting much different color variation. Of course, my favorite color in the entire palette is the blue because it's a pop of color and it pops really nice on my skin tone. My least favorite color was the peach shimmer one because I really wanted that to be like a pretty peach color on my skin tone. That blended out to another shade of gold as well, and I didn't really see the peach. Moving on, what else we got? I also picked up a butter bronzer from them. Butter bronzer. This is the deep bronzer and this is the darkest shade in their bronzer. It comes with a mirror. Fancy them apples, huh? Comes with a mirror and a little brush situation inside. Alright, Physicians Formula. Since you sent it, I'm going to use it. It's a sponge though. It's not a brush. It's a sponge situation. This bronzer smells awesome. It smells like when you're walking on the beach and you have like a pina colada in your hand and you're laying down in the sand with your hat on and you're not bothered by anything, and the salt air is just flowing into your nostrils. That's what this smells like. Yeah. So the bronzer is going to go on this side only. I am actually not mad at the bronzer. It is showing on my skin tone. I didn't expect it to show because of how it looks in the pan. But it's giving me a little sunshine. You see that, right? You see it, right? Physicians Firma, you real surprising me today. You real coming through. This sponge situation, not it, no. Alright, what else did you get? What else did you get? What else did I get? I also picked up a highlighter. And I didn't want to go with the traditional highlighters. I didn't want to go with the golds or the rose gold because I have so many of those already. I said, girl, why not go on with a pink highlighter? So we're gonna go for it, right? I mean, why not? Always want to add to your collection, always want to push the envelope, always want to do something different, unique, and interesting. So let's do the highlighter. This is their butter highlighter, cream to powder highlighter, and this is the shade Pink Rose. Okay, this one smells like you know, right? It has a island vibe to it as well, but it's more like a pound cake situation, in my opinion. Yeah, so you're on an island on the beach, eating pound cake with a pina colada, and the island breeze is hitting your face. That's this one right here. Oh, it's pink! If y'all don't know already, pink is my favorite color. Oh, it is really pink. But even though it's pink, when it's blended out really good, it looks really cute. It's not bad. It's like more of an iridescent kind of pink shade. And I honestly like it. I would wear it. In the summertime, you know me and my extra self, I would definitely wear this highlighter. Alright, this side of the face, once again, boring and basic. Nothing is on it. Just melanin by itself. Just glowing and just living its life. Living its best life on its own. Single, by itself. No marriage, no kids. While this one over here is just traveling the world, getting tanned, getting, you know, married with kids, living up with a girlfriend, just glowing all over the place. Two separate lives, and I love both of them. Alright, last but not least, you know I could not stop and end the video without getting my favorite, which are lip products. They have a wide selection of lip products, they do. But I only picked up 3 from their Velvet Lip line. This is Dose of Rose. It dries down to like a matte velvet formula. I think, knowing me, y'all know me, I would definitely put a lip liner up on this. But I just wanted to try it without the lip liner to show you guys. This one is called Tulip Treatment. Definitely a summertime shade. I like this color. Okay, so y'all know this would not be a Kaya Journey lip swatch video situation if I did not bring you guys a red color. You know, I have an obsession with collecting red lips, and this one does not disappoint. The shade is Fight Free Radicals. Get into it. So this is the last shade. I wanted to leave the red for last because, you know, red shades are my favorite. But this is all the shades. Alright, so that's everything on my face from them. As you guys know, I'm going to wear this face for the entire day and then come back and tell you guys my thoughts on all the products. The time right now is 10:46 in the morning. I will be back later. 4:49 in the afternoon. This is the face. You know what? Let me apply back the red lippy because I love it so much, and then I'll be right back. Alright, here we go. I'm back looking better than ever, like I never left. This was a side with nothing, basic and bare, but beautiful by itself. And this is the side all extra glowing with the bronzer and the pink highlighter. What I did today, I cleaned the house. It was a very cold day in New York. And I just stayed home, cleaned the house, and edit. That was my day today. So a very basic day. But I'm thinking the skin looks pretty good for all the things that I did today. I am shining a little bit in my T-zones, but that is to be expected. But other than that, I still think the skin looks pretty good. First, let's start with the foundation. I like it. I say it's a go if you can find your right shade. From looking at this now, that is, you know, I've spent the whole day wearing it, I think the foundation shade matches me pretty good, but I still don't think it is perfect. I think it's just it's like 96, 97% good, but there's still like a 3% chance for improvement in this area. It just needs to be a little bit more dark. It looked pretty good on my face, but there's some times where it looked a little bit too light and too yellow. But other than that, I can keep this, I can make it work, I can work with it, so it's good. But I think it's just a small, minute amount that is just too light for me. I say it is a good foundation. The finish is beautiful, it looks good on the skin. Run to your local drugstore, run to your local pharmacy, get your shade, get your match. It comes in, I think, 16 shades. Get your match, wear it. It's a good drugstore alternative if you're starting out in the green beauty life and you don't mind the ingredients. Definitely a yes. The eyeshadow, definitely a no. Yes, it's inexpensive, but you're really not getting much with it. You really aren't. The only pop of color that I really like was the blue. It's cute, but everything else just look the same. It's gold. You can pick up a gold eyeshadow anywhere. It's cute. It's a lot of glitter, but it's not for me. I'm gonna keep it because I have it, but I wouldn't suggest you buy it because, you know, it's just all the same colors at the end of the day. Just a little pop of blue that makes it a little special. Bronzer. I like it. It's cute. I did see it, like, you see that little mark? Yeah, I did make a line on my face, so I like it. When I say you have to get it, you don't have to. This is like a I want to product. This is not a necessity. It's nice though. It smells awesome. So I give it a yes. I like it. If you want to try it, definitely get it. But for girls that are darker than me, this is the darkest shade, so it's a no for you. Sorry. Highlighter. I like their highlighters. It's really creamy. They smell great. They're really creamy. They give you a nice powder finish. I really like the highlighters. The shade that I got is Pink Rose, and yes, that is stepping out of my comfort zone, stepping out of the box for my deeper skin tone, but I actually like it. It's something different, something that I wouldn't normally do, but I honestly like it, and I will see myself continuing to wear it even though it is pink. If pink is not your thing, then they do have other shades. Like they have like a rose gold, and they have like a whiter shade, and they have different shades. But for the formula wise and how it makes the skin look, it looks really glistening, really nice. Not chunky glitter, but a really nice, smooth and satiny highlight. Really pretty. I like this a lot. The lip shades, the Velvet Lips, I like them. My favorite color, of course. Give them a try. They're inexpensive. You can pick them up, you know, in the drugstore, swatch them, get the color that you like, try it. You never know. Yeah, they're okay. They're not like bomb. They're not like the best liquid lips, but they're good for their price point. Give it a try. Pick up one, pick up two, pick up three maybe, but just try them out. Definitely though, definitely get the red. Get the red one. And that is it. That is my take on Physicians Formula. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. That's all for now, you guys. Thank you for watching and have a good day. See you in the next video. Well, I won't see you, but you will see me, but I'll feel your presence some way, somehow. Anyway, bye.